Hi everybody, welcome to Exec Spec. Just wanted to share with you today the StarLine i96 immobilisation system. This is fitted to a brand new 2020 Ford Fiesta. So if I get in the vehicle and give you an idea. So this immobilisation system is fitted to this vehicle that will do two things. One is obviously stop the theft after key cloning. So if somebody clones the key or copies the key through relay attack, they will get into your vehicle by locking and unlocking the door, turning off the factory alarm and immobiliser. But when they attempt to take the vehicle away, it will immobilise. So to give you an idea, we have a StarLine product fitted. It will come with two of these tags, and also as an additional feature, it will allow you to enter a PIN code through the steering wheel. So for example, if every time you want to start the vehicle, if you don't have any tags, then you could enter some PIN codes through various buttons that are programmed for you. For example, if we had put the ignition on and we could then press this button 4 times, we'll then get an acknowledgement, say the vehicle accepts the code and now you can drive safely. So the demo now that I'm going to give you is if the vehicle doesn't have any tags present and the PIN code isn't entered. So let's start the vehicle. So as soon as we start, we hear this double beep, which means I need to see either a tag or a PIN code entered. Now what will happen is, if I start to move, so let's just start to move, the vehicle will stall. And this will carry on doing it. So if we do it another time, let's just start up. As soon as I start to move again, it'll stall again. Now after the third attempt, this system can lock out as well, so that it will prevent them. But irrespective, this is the only way the car will perform until the PIN code is entered or one of the tags is presented. So if I introduce a tag to it, so here's the tag, I've just introduced it to it by just putting the battery in it at the same time, and now it disables it. So now I can start the vehicle and start and drive as normal. Thank you for watching.